Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and I'm really excited about this one because in this video we're going to do something about this frizzy mess on my head. Yes, my hair is completely frizzy. You can see all these flyaways and my ends are also extremely dry. They don't even fall, they just stay like that. So yes, I have a new device to test out and I think it's going to be a lifesaver for my hair, and it sounds so practical and amazing. It's this guy over here. It's called Cordless Automatic Curling Iron. Comes in a box like this. It's beautiful actually. It sounds so simple and easy because you don't need to do much. You just take a strand of hair and place it over the barrel and it does all the work for you. So that sounds perfect for someone like me who doesn't want to do much, who is lazy. Yes, I am. It has a few simple settings over here. So you can set the temperature and the timer on the display. The battery lasts for 60 minutes and I think that's more than enough for anyone to do their hair. And have I mentioned it's cordless? Yes, that's the best feature I think. First, I'm going to test out this curling device on some extensions and see which setting is the best for me, and then I'm going to curl my hair. So it has a couple of options over here. So the temperature goes from 150 to 200 degrees Celsius and the time setting is from 8 to 18 seconds and preheating time is 70 to 80 seconds, so it gets heated fairly quickly. It's on right now. It's been on for maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, something like that. Let's test it out. I will put it on 180 and 12 seconds, so right there in the middle. And I'm going to take a small strand of hair. I don't want to take too much hair because I think this will make the best type of curl. Let's place it well so it doesn't get jammed. And when you place the hair, you just press the button and close it in, just like that. Okay, so let's see. Maybe. Wow, that's amazing. I think I want to curl like that. I think this is the perfect set. Let's try a setting that's a little bit lower. 160 degrees and time 9 seconds. Okay, let's try another strand of hair. Let's see what happens. Wow, it looks almost the same. Yes, it's beautiful. This is on a higher setting and this is on a lower setting. I think I like this one, the loose curl, maybe even a little bit more, but I don't know. Okay, let's try it. Wow, look at that! Wow! I'm amazing. Maybe I should take it down a notch because it's too strong at the moment. I don't need 200 degrees and 18 seconds. Let's put it on 10 seconds and maybe 150 degrees. Okay, so let's do this. I will do my front part and I will ask someone to help me for the back parts. It's so easy to use because it's so intuitive. You automatically know what to do. It does everything for you. Look. I think I can do my whole hair in half an hour. At the most, I think. So I just try to keep my strands smaller and not let them get jammed, because that is something that can't happen. When I'm happy with my strand, I just press the button and this is what happens. See? So easy. This is made for me. I think I'm going to use this a lot. Wow, look at those curls! I'm really impressed. Yes, I will do this every day. Okay, so I have a new plan. I want to go out and test this outside because why not? I want to see how it works on the go. Is it that easy? Is it not? Let's see together. So I'm going to bring my mirror. Maybe you can use a smaller mirror, but I don't have a smaller mirror. And try it out in my car, in my backyard, anywhere. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm in my car at the moment and I want to test this guy out because it's very portable. You can use it in a bus or a car or anywhere. Just don't curl your hair and dry. Okay, so let's see what happens. I can easily drive like this. Well, not really. Don't do that. But maybe if you are in the back seat, you can just make perfect curls. Okay, so yes, the best part is cordless, and I think you can charge it in the car as well. Look, I have a car charger, and you can easily just plug it in over here, and that's it. Okay, so let's finish the rest of my hair and then we'll talk a little bit more about this guy over here. Let's go. Now I'm going to finish curling the rest of my hair. So let's do it. Okay, let's switch to another side now. I'm really happy how this turned out. Now I'm going to switch the rotation of my curl to the left because I want the curl to go away from my face. Okay, so now it's going left. Let's start from here and let's get started. So cute. Last layer. I'm so happy. Maybe I have a couple of strands left in the back. I might need some help for that, but my whole hair is almost finished. And I didn't even have to recharge the batteries. So that's amazing. Okay, let's do this layer and then see the final result. Okay guys, so this is my final result. I'm actually really blown away by this product. It's so good, it's so practical, it's very easy to use. This was my first time trying it out and I did my whole hair by myself with no problems. And the battery lasted the entire time. It lasts for an hour, which is more than enough. You can charge it really easily. It comes with a little cable, a USB cable, which you can plug in to your computer, and when you finish, you can just plug it in and recharge it. So it's super easy, and the fact that it doesn't have a cable makes it so much easier to use. If you go over your face like this, imagine if it had a cable, like now when it's plugged in. And if I wanted to do something like this, the cable would pull and it would get everywhere. But this one doesn't do that. You can take it everywhere. It has a velvet pouch and do your hair in a plane if you want. Yes, my hair has never looked better, not even on my wedding day. So I really recommend this product. If you are thinking about buying it, I suggest you go and do it because it's really worth the money. It's the best curler I've ever tried. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.